Today, planning on going to a place called Din Quin Floating Market, and the look has changed. We're sat in front of it because I misread the light and went early at one point when it's waiting. Alright, let's get to this. So my name is Ben who's cycling. Welcome back to the channel. You need to subscribe if you're not. Don't. So we're going to a place called Din Quan today. It's a floating village, I believe. I haven't looked it up. I know nothing about it actually. Give shake 70, 80 k's there, but on the way out there's also a little lake that I want to spin by. Well, quite a big lake actually. I want to slap a lap around. The aim of today is about 10 hours on the bike. Planning to do about 250 k's per day. We're already about 30 k's in now. So 220 to go. Traffic's been shite. But are we going to go around the lake? Don't know. Hopefully in 40 minutes or so. Stop. Hopefully find a cake and a nice cup of coffee. And I'll let you guys know what happens then. Take care. Ciao. Alright, so we are now officially out of Ho Chi Minh City in Binh Hoa. I believe I should know this as it's the country I've been living in for the last 8 years. We're in a part of it called Long Binh. We're just rolling up to a traffic light now. We're not up it. I'll show you the view. So, at traffic light now. Really beautiful sunshine. But I want to know, what's one of your guilty pleasures when you're cycling? For me, I'm a donut kind of man. Can't go wrong with a donut. See a bakery, buy a donut. Got it. But what do you like? Let me know. Let's turn green and then we go off. We're just cycling in Vietnam is quite simple. Traveling in Vietnam is quite simple. Just kind of go straight. Pick your road you want to go on and then go. Little update on the ride. Just pulled in for about 48 k's in, I think. Doing pretty well, not gonna lie. Doing pretty well. So I just get myself a little black coffee, no sugar. I really fancied a donut, as I was talking about earlier, but then I went through the market. Didn't film it because it's quite disgusting. In Vietnam, eats dog. And surprise, surprise, market has dog for sale, so I didn't film that. One, I wouldn't be able to film it as my phone and all of that stuff, but also hassle. I'm really impressed with myself. I managed to order my, I've been up for years. I managed to order myself a coffee, so let's see if it shows up correct. So cafe can con sugar, because I don't know how to say sugar, and da, so it should be an iced black coffee, no sugar. When it shows up, let's see if we got it right. Managed to get it. Black coffee, iced, no sugar. Now for a taste test. maybe not the nicest coffee I've had. It's just absolutely beautiful out here. Yeah, this is truly amazing. I couldn't live out here, obviously work reasons, but riding out here is beautiful. This part of the road is very nice, as you can see, but I've just done some extreme gravel riding on a road. Bear in mind, I am on a single speed because I am a beast. Why have gears when you can just be strong? That's what I say. But yeah, this part of the road is really lovely. I'm glad that people around here pay higher taxes or whatever they do. But there are some sections that have been treacherous, to say the least. Some very steep downhills. We're doing 40 something on rim brakes and massive potholes. I'm gonna put the phone away and I guess I'll catch up with you guys. Yes, I believe we're about 20 k's to the floating village. It's been beautiful so far. I've had 2 gels, had a GU chocolate mousse thing, delicious, and I've also had a Kodak lemon and lime, which is more liquidy, more gel-like, less pudding consistency, like a GU, and really nice. Hello! Just love how friendly people are outside of the city. Just lovely people. Come back to the gels. GU, very delicious, like a pudding, and I believe it was chocolate pudding. I'll check online later. And a lemon and lime, and really lovely. Just gotta flip the camera around, hopefully. So, I've actually driven around here years and years ago, but like, I don't know how well the camera does it for justice, but look at this government building. Massive steep hill, no one's getting up that. And whatever that is, no idea. We're gonna start getting into the hills soon. 1,500 meters of elevation today. So, hey, jealous yet? Beautiful. Fucking beautiful. 2.5 hours in. Coming up 60 k's. Really missing out on a good one. Alright, so I think we've just done 2 of the biggest climbs I've done. I'm like still kind of in the climb. It's just, I guess, flattened out for a minute, but by the sound of my breathing, probably not a flat. Got out of the saddle for like most of it, and then towards the end, able to sit back down. Feel good. Felt good. It is stunning. The weather is beautiful. Every now and again, you get a truck go past you. I haven't seen a single cyclist for 50 kilometers now. It's just me and my own. But I do actually have 2 spare inner tubes on me today, a puncture repair kit, tyre levers, a spanner to get my wheel off, and a pump. So yeah, I technically could fix any of my issues unless it's a chain issue. Oh, and I got a mini for that. It is beautiful. I'll flip it around and I'll twist it around. 42 Ks is the fishing village. We're now sitting speed 22, that's not bad, 3 hours, and we're sitting on 68.7 Ks. So another 40K, another 48 that way to the fishing village. That'll put us 100 and something. I'm gonna turn around, that be 200, yeah? Or we go that way. But my map is set this way, over a little bit, still looking for that donut. Hello! Outside of Ho Chi Minh, people love to say hello. Inside of Ho Chi Minh, no hellos. Is what it is. Bit of an update. I got to the lake a few days, well, I don't know, maybe 6-7 Ks into the lake, and I was getting to like 90 Ks, and I overtook some bikepackers, said hello, with chat. They're doing the world basically. Nope. Put this away, going downhill. Yeah, as I was saying, kind of, I was feeling a little bit tired. Don't want to say it too loud because I'm about 85 Ks to do to get home. So we're probably going to round out our trip at like 180 Ks. Good match, so 70 Ks shorter than we were expecting, but still bloody good. Hey guys, I'll update you as we get closer to home. A really lovely gel, and then I just let it spill